In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a page from one site to another. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to handle this task on your own. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open up the editor of the site from which you want to transfer a page. This is the first and crucial step in our process. Make sure you're logged in and have the editor open in front of you. Once you're on the editor page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find an icon labeled Pages and Menu. Clicking on this icon will open up a list of all the pages and menus that are part of your current site. With this view open, your next move is to go to the Site menu. This contains all of the pages available on your website, organized in an easy-to-navigate list. From this list, you'll need to identify the specific page you wish to transfer. Next to the desired page, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots. Clicking on this icon reveals a few additional options. From these options, select Copy. This function will copy all the details and contents of the page you wish to transfer, preparing it for placement elsewhere. Now that you have your page copied, it's time to move to the new site where you want to place this page. Open the editor for the new site, just as we did earlier in the process. Once again, navigate your way to the Site menu. Here, similar to before, you'll be greeted with a list of pages within the new site. At this point, you have a couple of options. You can either right-click within the menu and select Paste to add the copied page to your new site, or you can opt to paste and apply the site theme. If you choose the latter, the page will automatically adjust to match the theme and style of the new site, saving you time in styling and adjustments later. This is a particularly useful choice if maintaining a consistent look and feel across your site is important to you. And just like that, you have successfully transferred your page from one site to another. Following these steps will ensure that your page not only moves, but also retains its structure and content integrity. Thanks for following along, and happy editing on your new site.